A question that I actually get asked all the time is this one right here, which is, if it's so easy, why wouldn't the business owner just go do it themselves? And the perspective I always share to that comment is, well, if you go on Google Maps right now and search any industry, for example, plumbers, and you go in and check, there are still so many of those businesses that don't have a website. You can legit code a website in 30, 40 seconds with AI. It's freely available. It's free for everyone. All you'd need is hosting. But yet so many businesses still do not have a website. It's such a valuable landing page, and it's so important for customers to go check out your services before deciding to buy from you. Yet so many still don't have one. The thing is, although it seems obvious to us, like it's so easy, why the fuck would anyone pay for this? People don't know it exists. And also there's the fact that people that have a lot of money value their time a lot more. So instead of learning it themselves, they'd much rather just go find someone who knows exactly what they're talking about and doing and can set it up in the best way and just pay them to do it. The results will be better, the outcome will be guaranteed, and they don't have to spend the time to learn it. The most valuable asset of a rich person is their time. So as crazy as it seems to us that someone would pay for something that literally takes 60 seconds to set up, people don't know. People can't be bothered to learn it. At the end of the day, business is business, and they just focus on what they're doing. And we decide to learn the tech so we can provide the solutions to them. Follow for more tips.